The highly rumored Oppo Pad has now officially been revealed. Oppo entered a new product category with its first Android tablet, but the only downside is currently available only here in China. And that is one of the things I like about living here in China. You have first-hand access to all these products from the huge brands like Oppo, Xiaomi or Huawei. Oppo's first tablet features decent specs. With a design similar to the Apple iPad Air, it is accompanied by a Stylus OPPO Pencil and even a keyboard case. The unboxing experience is very simple. Not many accessories included in the main box. The OPPO Pencil and the Smart Magnetic Keyboard are sold separately. So basically, other than the tablet itself, you will find a 33 watts charging brick and a USB-A to Type-C cable. It really looks like an iPad Air. This is the pad that I've been using for the last year and a half or so. The screen is a beautiful 11-inch panel with a 120Hz refresh rate. Oppo Pad features 2560 by 1600 pixels resolution and it supports HDR10 content. And has symmetrical bezels with an 8-megapixel selfie camera integrated into the side bezel. The tablet brings a premium build with a metal frame and frosted glass back, although it looks and feels a little bit like plastic. It's just 6.99mm thick and weighs 507 grams. The back has been given a dual-tone finish with Oppo branding in hugely sized letters. Oppo Pad also brings quad speakers located on the four corners, with support for Dolby Atmos and high-res audio. In the bottom of the pad, we can also find a USB Type-C port for charging and wire files transfers. Oppo Pad comes in black and purple colors, as well as a limited artist edition with silver accents. Oppo is daring to manufacture more and more good quality products, like the Oppo Find N, which is their first foldable, different from what we used to see from other brands. And they also dare to experiment with different colors. That's the case of the design of the back of this pad. The model that I had the chance to review is a beautiful purple color. The details of the frosted glass makes it shiny yet elegant. Similar to other Android tablets, the Oppo Pad cameras doesn't have the same massive specs as the company's high-end phones. Even though this pad is very similar to the iPad Air from Apple, I found two main differences. The main one is the size of the screen. It's a different body ratio that makes it maybe more comfortable to consume content. And the second one is the location of the camera. You can tell this camera is located on the side or on the top, depending on how you use the pad. But if you want to use it in landscape mode, it's easier and more comfortable to make maybe a video call. For the iPad Air, you have it located on the top of the frame, which I don't think that's the most convenient way to use it. The Oppo Pad features a 13-megapixel rear-facing camera with an 8-megapixel selfie camera. The single camera sensor and a LED flash module are placed in the upper right corner at the back of the tablet. The tablet is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 chipset, the same chipset that also powers the Xiaomi Pad 5 Pro and the Huawei MatePad Pro. The Qualcomm processor is accompanied by 6 or 8 GB of RAM. The storage option is not expandable. While the Snapdragon 870 supports 5G connectivity, the official webpage for Oppo Pad does not mention any cellular connection yet. However, the tablet supports Wi-Fi 6 connections. The Oppo Pad is powered by an 8300 mAh battery that supports 33 watts fast charging. By the way, the charger is also included in the box. Oppo says the tablet's battery life can last up to 18 hours of continuous Microsoft Office file processing, 9 hours of video conference calls, and 16.5 hours of video playback. The software is based on ColorOS 12. The custom interface runs on top of Android 11. Oppo is bringing a multi-screen collaboration option for certain Oppo phones. It also comes with added productivity features and optimization to take advantage of the tablet's big screen. You can run two apps side by side, open apps in floating windows, open two instances of the same app in parallel windows, and quick transfer files between your Oppo phone and tablet. Oppo has also unveiled an Apple Pencil-like stylus called OPPO Pencil for the tablet. It is a stylus that is designed to work with Oppo Pad and supports 4096 levels of pressure sensitivity. The stylus can be used for taking notes and drawing, and it charges wirelessly through the tablet. It could last up to 13 hours on a fully charged battery. OPPO Pencil has been priced at 499 RMB, which is around $80 US. Oppo is also selling the keyboard case, which is priced at 399 RMB or $63 US, in case you're planning to do some light work on the tablet. For now, the Oppo Pad is only available here in China, as I told you in the beginning. It starts at a price of 2,300 RMB, which is around $360 US for the 6 plus 128 GB configuration, and goes up all the way to 3,000 RMB, which is around $470 US for the 8 plus 256 GB variant. While the tablet goes on sale in China on March 3rd, there is no detail about the availability of this tablet in the international market. This has been the little review of the recently released Oppo tablet. Let me know what you think about this tablet, or if you have been using the iPad Air as an option, and maybe you're considering to change to a more versatile Android option, in the case this tablet goes to international markets in the future. Let me know your comments in the comment section down below, and remember to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget also to hit the bell button so you get a notification next time I upload a video. This was Rafael for Take Me Around. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and see you in the next time.